to my channel. My today's recipe is a Szechuan style green beans. This is a really delicious, easy side dish that goes awesome with chowmein or with fried rice. I've also given the recipe links for the chowmein or fried rice in the description box below, so please do check it out. My channel, all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So come, follow along and cook with me. First, I'm going to blanch the green beans. For that, here I have heated up some water and I've added a little bit of salt to it as well. To this, I'm going to add 1 pound or 450 grams of green beans, and I've kept the green beans intact, just cut the ends off. So I'm going to add these in the hot water and let this stay in this hot water for about 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes. Now I'm going to drain the water out and we will start frying the green beans. Now we are going to fry the green beans. For that, here I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon of regular oil, and we will first heat up the oil really well. The oil is now hot, so I will add the green beans and we will fry the green beans at a high flame for about 8 minutes or till the green beans are cooked. For this recipe, the beans should still be on the crunchier side. The green beans are now cooked, however they have not mushy and it's still on the crunchier side. Now we will go ahead and start setting the green beans aside. Now we will make a sauce mix. For that, here I have taken 1/4 cup of water. To this, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of red chili sauce. You can adjust based on your spice level. 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and we will also add about 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. And now mix all of this really well together, and this is our sauce mix that we are going to use later as we start making the Szechuan style green beans. Now we will start making our Szechuan style green beans. For that, here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. If you don't have sesame oil, then you can use any other oil of your choice. First, we are going to heat up the oil really well. The oil is now hot. Now I will add 1/3 cup of scallions or spring onions and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. You can also grate the ginger, and 5 to 6 garlic cloves finely chopped. And now we are going to fry this for about 1 minute. It's been a minute. Now I will add the sauce mix that we just made. Make sure you stir it well because the cornstarch can settle at the bottom. So I've added the sauce mix. Now at a medium flame, we will saute this for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now I will add the fried green beans, and at a high flame we are going to toss the green beans in this sauce for a minute or 2. Also, I am going to add a little bit of salt because I have used low sodium soy sauce. However, if you have used regular soy sauce, you may not need any additional salt. So just make sure you check for that before you add any salt. Now we are going to toss this for a minute at a high flame. Our Sichuan style green beans is almost ready. At the end, we are going to add 1.5 tablespoons of sesame seeds that I have dry roasted for a couple of minutes. So I'm adding that, and again mix the green beans well. Our Szechuan style green beans is now completely ready. This is a really delicious, super easy to make, gets ready in less than 15 minutes, can be enjoyed as an appetizer or a side dish. So please do try the recipe this way and let me know how it works out for you. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.